Get her, Kinley.
That's it. But it's...
Are you gonna get her? Yeah. Get Haley.
Haley. Go down. Stay right there. Stay. Watch me. Watch me.
Is that Haley?
Watch me.
Are you gonna get Hales? Oh no, you're done with that.
I think we can stand over here.
So I'm just gonna climb up everything.
You're going nowhere fast.
Where you going?
Haley. Haley, down. Down.
Oh.
You were supposed to get up. You're just supposed to go down.
Oh.
You could walk over and get her.
Yeah, come walk and get her.
I thought we were going to see you walk this week. Walk over and get her. Ugh.
That was a good try.
I'm just going to try and hop. The concept of moving the feet.
Touch her. Oh, you almost did it.
Yep, you think? I think so.
Oh yeah, you got her.
Stay. Over here.
Oh, she's gone.
I know you're very patient, but that is a little unnerving.